Okay, folks, we're going to work through exercises 1 and 2. And these exercises want us to modify the current Hello Android application. Number 1 says change it so that we have different text for the button label as well as for the edit text hint. Well, our button label is currently saying, let me see if we can find her here. It says say hello, and the edit text hint says please enter your name. Where I modify this, at least right now, the way this application is set up, we can make the modification in our layout. So under Res, Layout, Activity Hello Android XML, you may remember that Android was, the ADT plugin was complaining to me saying I shouldn't be hard coding these strings in. Well, yeah, there's a better way to do it, but for now we'll stick with this. These are the areas we need to change. So instead of please enter your name, I'll change this to please provide your name. And down here for the text on the button, instead of say hello, I'll say go. Let me save the file. I'll make sure that we've chosen Hello Android. I choose the project, and then I do run and run. Or if you right click on the project, this is another good way to go. You can right click and choose run as Android application. I like to do that a lot as well. That kind of ensures that I'm pointing at the right project when I work through this. So there's my emulator. It's changing around. We have something that's coming out. Okay, please provide your name. Good, it changed. We have a different hint. And instead of the button saying say hello, it says go. So I type my name, I click go, it says hello Jamie. That's pretty good. Number 2 wants us to make one other little change. It says make the greeting say hi instead of hello before our name. All right, well, where is the greeting at? The first thing I do is I take a look at the text view. And I say, all right, well, that's what's displaying the greeting, but there's nothing in here about an Android text. In this case, it's actually the Java file that has some of this in it. We had, for better or worse, hard-coded in that word hello before the name and an exclamation point when we set the text in the listener. And so in this case, we'd be modifying this entry to say hi and your name. So I'll save that away, and again, I'm going to rerun this project. I'll pull up my emulator, and we should see momentarily the Android application that I can interact with again. There we go. Please provide your name. My name is Jamie. Spell that a little better. And I'll hit go, and there it now says hi instead of hello. So that's what we're looking for as far as exercises 1 and 2 are concerned, simply just changing those strings directly. In a later video, we'll talk about working with those resources and dealing with it a little bit better. That way you don't see these warnings that are telling you that we shouldn't be hard coding these strings in. But since we're just getting started, I'm trying to keep things simple. Okay. In the next video, we'll look at the solutions for exercises 3 and 4.